Here they are. It's a whole bag. It's a whole bag of goodies. Good morning, guys. So, I don't know what day today is. I think it's, why is the lighting so weird? Right there, I guess. Right there. Say something. Speak up now or forever hold your peace, okay? Right there. But, yeah, today is, Monday. December something. Just leave it there. My daughter's sick. She's home from school. I was supposed to go get some Christmas shopping done, but I can't do that because I have the 8-year-old with me. She's actually over here watching beautiful Drea. And Maddie's still sleeping. I'm supposed to be doing laundry. Say hi.
Hi. Mommy, it's finished.
It's finished? More? You want more, Drea?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, look at the sweet girl. Ew, did you just do that? She's so cute. She's so cute. But, yeah. I just finished wrapping my Secret Santa gifts for the real woman of YouTube.
I can't believe it.
I just wrapped that. I have to send it off like today. I have to send it off, so yeah. Here they are. You know, it's a whole bag. It's a whole bag of goodies. So I have to send that off to my Secret Santa. And luckily, my Secret Santa is subscribed to my channel, so yeah, my Secret Santa is subscribed to my channel, and I watch her channels as well. So isn't that ironic? Excuse me. But I'm supposed to be doing Maddie's laundry. I only got one load of laundry done. I'm supposed to be working out. It's 1 o'clock. I haven't done anything. Like, I don't feel like doing anything. Like, seriously, I don't feel like doing anything. My kitchen is dirty. My table is dirty. My bathroom is dirty. My laundry room is a mess. My whole house is a mess. Like, seriously. My whole house is a mess. But it's not my fault, you know? It is not my fault. You know what I mean? Gotta get these laundry in here. So I'll be right back. Gotta get the laundry done. Gotta get it done properly. I need a record deal. So hold on. Turn you along. I'm gonna do Maddie's. Laundry. So I have to find.
I just told Drea I lost it.
You lost her channel?
Mm-hmm.
Watch.
Okay.
Yeah. So, oh, what was I doing? Maddie's laundry.
Yes.
So I gotta find all her clothes. Our clothes is everywhere. I'm a messy mother. Like, ugh. There. Ugh. Everywhere. I tell you. That child clothes is everywhere. We're just gonna find and drop because I don't separate her clothes. Because luckily for me, Maddie wears all pink and light colored clothing. So I wash everybody and everything together. And then I started building a pile over here on the floor. I don't know if you guys can see that pile. Started building that pile. So I want to pick that up and take it to the laundry. Put it in. So yeah. So I'm going to do that. So hold on. Let's go to the laundry. Alright. Okay, so we're gonna go back to the laundry room. Because get down off the table, you crazy cat. Okay. So I'm gonna put those there and then make sure all of it is hers. Okay, so I'm gonna make sure all of these are hers. All of it is 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 hers. So, yeah. Then we're gonna get our Honest laundry detergent. I'm gonna pour some in here. I just eyeball it. I don't measure anything. I eyeball. So that's that. And then I'm gonna go keep searching to see if I find any more Maddie clothes and do that. And then tell me what else should I start on in this nasty, dirty house. Please tell me. What else should I start on? This house is dirty. Maddie's waking up. Do you guys see her over there? Do you guys see that little tiny speck over there? I need to wash my sheets too. Hi, sweet girl. Okay. I don't see anything else to put in the wash, but what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna tidy up my room. And then after that I'm gonna start her laundry, just in case if I find anything in my room I can put it in the laundry room, because Maddie sleeps in my room, so more than likely her things are in my room and also out there. But I don't wanna clean up out there. I don't want to. So I'm gonna do that and then come back to you guys. All right? I'll be back. Don't cry. I'll be back. No, I'm gonna go tend to her. So guys, I forgot to end the vlog the other day. So I need an ending for my vlog the other day, whichever vlog, whatever. But I need an ending. All right? So yeah, don't complain. All right, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. If you're not subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Become a sunshine. Who wouldn't want to become a sunshine? That's like, I don't know, but become a sunshine. Hit the button, subscribe. You know what I mean? Subscribe if you like what you're seeing. I'll talk to you guys tomorrow. Bye.